Sambo. They sell everything out here, man. People got tents. Right now they shutting some stuff down, so. Uh-oh. There goes some cool outfits for the ladies. Y'all want some of these in Arkansas? Check them out. Sambo, tell them you got these here for them. I know y'all finna want to get warm down there in Arkansas. Let me know. We can get them things for you. I'm just saying. They got boots. There's a lot of stuff going on out here. Makeup. Every day is Black Friday here. The independent hustle is real. That's why I love it out here though. Because everybody hustling, everybody networking, everybody on their grind trying to make something happen. Nobody lazy. Everybody out here winning, man. All gone.